What's up, you guys? It is your girl, Nailz by Dior. I'm coming to you guys today saying Happy Mother's Day. I'm recording on Mother's Day, just trying to get this video to you guys. As you can see, I'm showing some of my press-on nails. Yes, all of these sets that I'm showing in the beginning are press-on nails. So I'm just showing you guys how to apply them the correct way so you won't have any nails popping off while you're out. Showing you what all comes in my pressed nail packaging, what all you get. And I'm also showing you how to get that A1 cuticle seal so that you can really look like you just got your nails done. So here I am. I'm just showing you what all comes in my pack. Once you purchase your press set, all of my sets are sizes small, medium, large, and queen sizes. You can also customize your nails directly to how they're fit or what size they are, or you can just purchase small, medium, or large. In my press sets, you get a cuticle, what I call a cutie stick for your cuticles. You get a instruction card showing you how to remove your nails. You get your 10 nails, of course. You get a buffer. You get your glue. You get the option of the little peel and stick glues. You have your cleansing wipes, both wet and dry. And then you also have your mini file to etch your nails for applying them. So you are going to see me open it up. And like I said, everything that I just list, that's what's in the kit. And then I don't know, some of you, I get a lot of people when they order their press-ons, they try to base the press-ons that they previously bought from like a drugstore or something like that. They base those off of my nail sizes, but you really can't do that because the width and the type of the nail that some of the press-on stores have are totally different. They're totally different. They're measured different. They're shaped different. So don't go by those sizes when you are trying to determine what size nails you need. And then before you begin, you want to make sure that you take all of your nails out of the packet so that you won't be going back and forth of getting dust on your nails or anything like that. They're already ready to pick up and go in place. Step number 1, you're going to want to make sure that you gently push back your cuticle with the orange wood stick. And you're going to do this to all 10 fingers. Step 2, I am using my file and I am gently and softly etching my natural nail, and make sure I'm removing any oils that's on the nail or any natural shine. When you are doing this, make sure you are doing this lightly, and then you can also turn your file the long way and get up in there in your cuticle and really get in there and remove any dead cuticle that needs removed, because if you have that thick cuticle and skin up there, it will cause the nail to lift if you place it on the cuticle. Again, you're going to do this to all 10 fingers. You see how I'm getting up in there and I'm using the file to push back and get up in there and really remove all of that dead skin. And these files, they're kind of thin, so you're going to want to use a little force to get some of the skin off your nail, but you don't want too much force, too much pressure to where you're digging in your nail. And now you can see I am using the cleansing wipe to remove any debris and any cuticle that was left on the nail. You want to make sure your nail is completely dry, free of any oils, like I said, so that you can get the best and proper adhesion. Honey, you do not want your nails popping off while you out having a good time. Let's keep them secured. If you follow these steps to the T, your nails can last you up to five to 7 days. The longest I've had mine last was 5 days, and that's with me washing dishes, getting the kids dressed for school or combing hair. Mine lasted for 5 days. So if you do it right, you can really get your nails to last and really look like you got a acrylic full set on. And also, when you see I'm getting ready to apply the nails. Before you put the glue on, you want to make sure and just measure and make sure, okay, I want this one on the ring finger, but I want this one on the index finger. So make sure that they're all sized up, because you're going to see in the video that I don't think the top part on my right hand was sized correctly. So I had to take one off. And then when you are applying, you're going to want to make sure that you are pushing the nail up into the top part of your cuticle area, so that it looks like it's like actually coming out of the nail. Some people you'll see that have on press-on nails, you can really tell that they're press-ons because either the nail will be over the skin or it's not actually set underneath the cuticle. So some of them you can really tell, and the kind like that are the ones that pop off because they're sitting on the skin. You actually don't have it on the nail. That's why I say it's important to make sure you size your nails, because having them too large will cause them to pop off, and having them too small will cause them to pop off too. So it is very important. And you can see already that they're starting to look like I just went and got a whole full set done. And you see I'm pushing it back, I'm kind of pushing back my cuticle with the nail so that it can, properly set in my nail according to how my cuticle is shaped. Alright guys, so I am done. That is the finished look. So I am going to just go ahead and put away everything I used and get ready and apply my cutie stick oil and get ready and take some pictures. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions, make sure you leave them in the comments or hit me up through email. Just say hey, subscribe. And then also I am setting the deadline for the giveaway. I haven't forgot. The deadline for the giveaway will be May 25th. It will be 2 winners. It is a nail trainer practice hand and it is a professional gel lamp. So make sure you go and watch the previous videos. So if you still want to enter, you still have time, and follow the rules so you have a chance of winning. I appreciate you guys so much. So now you just see me applying the cuticle oil. And this cuticle oil I do sell for my clients, and I make them myself. And it's with 100% natural oil, jojoba oil, grapeseed oil, and some I do add. That's just with no flavor. But some I do add like a fragrance to with essential oils. And you're gonna go and apply it to all 10 fingers. This is me just coming in one more time, telling you guys thank you so much for watching. I will be posting more videos because I do have an announcement for you guys. And thank you so much. Thank you. If you haven't watched, if this is your first time watching, I got more videos, tutorials, and just educational information. Make sure you hit the thumbs, the like button, subscribe.